Your hands are shaking.
Here, I'll hold it.
No, I got it.
You're shaking, dude.
Yeah, I see.
Look at that.
I just wanted to fall. Gary, what you should have done?
Mark, you know what you're going to do if the film starts coming down?
Off the piece, like chunks of the video.
That way. Drop the axe and run.
Is this? Oh, it is.
Can you put videos together?
Just look at your path of where you're going to go.
Yeah.
Oops, we got somebody coming down there. Who's that? Oh.
Alright.
Oh, it's cracking.
Uh-oh.
Cracking.
Go. It's coming down. Watch out, Mark.
Hey, for the record, they didn't
Clear.
get it on
High five anyway.
live aspen tree too.
All me and Gary. Those two trees.
It's just been like this while you heard the cracking.
That's a big boy.
I was so pissed. I got the left rack.
Hey, you guys should come stand on it and get a picture.
I am so pissed.